Not how to find the LCM for algebraic expressions, you have to recall something from your previous grade. That is the factorization of binomial or quadratic equation or quadratic function. So if I give you x square plus 5x plus 6, how can we factorize this? First of all, you have to multiply both of them. X square times positive 6, it would be positive 6x square. You have to select the suitable factors. It should be positive 1 times positive 6, that is the possible, sorry, 1 times 6, that is 6, 2 times 3 also 6. Since the middle member is having, okay, multiplication of the factor pair, okay, multiplication of the factorization pair would be positive 6. Sum of those two should be equals to positive 5. Since the middle member is having a positive direction, we can give positive to our higher number in each pair. Thereafter, according to the multiplication, positive multiplied with positive, that will give you another positive. Positive should multiply with positive. So 6 plus 1, it is 7, not 5. So we can remove this one. 2 plus 3, it is 5. So you can write x here, where you can directly write it as x plus 2 times x plus 3. You have to find the particular multiplication pair, okay, suitable pair. Thereafter, in negative ones, we will try r square minus 7r plus 10. Look at this. First, let's multiply both n members. So when you multiply, that will give you positive 10r square. Suitable multiplication pairs would be 1 times 10, 2 times 5. Since the middle member is having a negative direction, I will give negative direction for the higher number in each pair. Negative. To obtain positive as your multiplication answer, negative should multiply with another negative value. Negative multiplied with negative will give you positive. Here also negative multiplied with negative will give you positive. Thereafter, let's come to the next identification. Sum of multiplication, yeah, these both are correct. Sum of those two factors would be negative 7. So accordingly, negative 11. Here we will have negative 11. In this case only, we are having negative 7 as a sum. Multiplication would be positive 10r square. Sum of those two values would be negative 7r. So r minus 2 should be a factor. Another factor would be r minus 5. In the next one, we will have y square plus 8y minus 20. This is a question. Another question would be L square minus L minus 42. We will find the factorization here as well. So actually you have to multiply both n members. It will give you negative 20y square. So suitable multiplication pair for both of them, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. Okay, these are the possible pairs. Since the middle member is having positive, I will give positive to the higher number in each pair. And thereafter, positive direction multiplied by a negative will offer you the final answer as negative. Numericals are no problem with that. The directions positive multiplied with negative will give you negative. Here also negative, negative. Now let's come to the sum part. Sum of those two factors would be equals to positive 8. Here it will become positive 19. Here it is positive 8. Here it is positive 1. So we can reject other possibilities and write y minus 2 would be a factor. Another factor would be y plus 10. And for the last question, same. Multiply both n members. Negative 42 L square. We will find the suitable multiplication pairs for 42. It would be 1 times 42, 2 times 21, and 3 times 14. Thereafter, we will have, I will write here, negative 42 L square. So that means we can have 1 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 14, 4 no, 5 no, 6. 6 times 7. These are the suitable pairs. Since the middle member is having negative direction, I will give the negative direction to the higher number in all pair. Negative, 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 negative. According to the multiplication, negative multiplied with another positive value will offer you the final answer as negative. Negative multiplied with positive will give you negative. So here positive, positive, positive. Sum of those factors would be negative 1. Okay, here there is no any numbers given. That means we know that there is a 1. Since there is no any numbers given, we can conclude here there is a 1. Sum of those two factors would be negative 1. Here it is negative 41, negative 19, negative 11. Here it is negative 1. So you can write L plus 6 times L minus 7. These are the factorization of quadratic expressions. There are 4 types: positive, 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 negative, negative, positive, negative, negative. I explained each in each type one question respectively.